Welcome back, guys. So let's double check the injective, just middle term targets, what I'm waiting from this token. Like investment, if we will see the altcoin season and some money will inflow into altcoins, because at this current moment we can't know. Maybe we already saw the main altcoin season in zone 23, zone 24, maybe. So this is a middle term downtrend, and any downtrend one day anyway will be over, so we can't move down forever, right? At the same, like we can't move up forever. And my main take for injective, so first of all, I don't think so this token will hit the new all-time high. One take. If you believe in new all-time high, guys, personally, for me, the next step is should be the 56, 80, 86. I don't think so, and never talk about $100, all of this random stuff about injective. So you remember I posted the video around here, so it's time to out. And the big guys like Crypto Wizard, I guess, with over than half billion users. Oh, no, half billion, with over than 500K users, shield the injective just at the beginning. So it's time to buy. It's time to buy because we go straight forward to the 70, 100, and 200 because it's a next Solana or something. So it was a pretty pure shield of the token because of that influencer need to just distribute their bags. Maybe paid one. So zone of accumulation still the same. So this is the same accumulation what I was here market in May, in zone 22. We accumulated here and token skyrocket to new all-time high. And I'm more than sure, of course I can be wrong, after the years, the injector will land back again inside this accumulation block. Maybe will be under $1. I can be absolutely wrong, but this is just my idea. I shared this idea on TradingView, so we'll come back to this idea later and double check is it playing out or not. Based on price action. Now, if we zoom out on the weekly time frame, guys, now we hold the line at zero level. It's good. It's good, and I hope we hold it, because if not, the next step is only here. It's $2.27. So congrats everybody who out here in time. And if you got a plan, accumulate injective for the spot, of course, you can do even now. Like, for example, you build a plan, $5.39 first purchase, and the second one, $2.27, third one is 51 cents. So even if you got like this entry, and this entry, your average entry will be approximately like $3.55, for example. So at $7, you withdraw initial deposit. So you build a plan, and after that, you can ride to the new high. But by my personal opinion, not new all-time high. The positive case scenario, guys, for injective, if we just consolidate that December just in the range here around zero level, after that, I think one day, and it's so obvious, so we can't move always down, right? In theory, it's possible, but based on price action, based on market makers, hunt liquidity, so it's not make sense, right? And I think we will bounce to close the monthly gap, monthly favorable gap, one take. So it's going to be the point of interest, one take. After that, drop it down a little bit, down. And also the monthly gap, it's 0.23 by fib. After that, we bounce and the break, the structure. So this is a impulse. And to talk about an upside move, we need to break this structure. So this high, like 1651, so we have to break it, close weekly fair value gap, maybe retest 38, and go straight forward to the order block on a weekly time frame, and zone 25 yearly open. So this is a target. And this is going to be the finish, right? So around 1.61. After that, we're going down again. And maybe only in zone 20, 29, 30, we'll hit maybe new all-time high if injector will be still exist. So it's just my personal perspective for the next few years. So we will come back to this idea later. I hope, of course, and I will be more than happy for everyone who invests in injective, so we can rocket like this one to the moon, and everybody gonna be rich. But unfortunately, guys, the reality sometimes kind of sad. Why also the reason why we can see the new all-time high, but it can be like 56.86 because we can form the three rise pattern. So usually also we can identify something like this one. So it's positive case scenario. Anyway, in this case, if we hit the 56.86, I think the injector will finish the right here. So just in case. So locally, I showed you the targets. Let's double check, guys, with before I would like to show you with indicators. Let's double check the week. Are we close to the week of Donald Trump dump day or not? So this is a week. Let's extend it right. Almost. So I will be not surprised if today, tomorrow, we're gonna hit the $4.97, maybe even $3.99. The most positive guys scenario if we hold the line around $5, like crucial level $5. So it will be so great, right? Because if we go to $3.99, $3.56. We can retest the 18 level by FIB globally. And of course, it can be logical to buy back at 18 level by FIB accumulation zone, even on the spot, $2.27. So just in case, but I hope we just recover now higher because, you know, the sentiment now too bearish. Everybody is now flip like a genius, like they predict everything. So the people who screaming about the injective to $100 now screaming injective to $1. So, you know, this is how the crypto space works. They always right. I made a lot of mistakes, guys, but it's not a shame to say, oh, this idea is wrong. I was wrong. So I don't know why people pretend to be always right. It's not about a trading, you know, it's about some poly market predicting game. So based on VRVP, I don't know why when you zoom in, zoom out, the VRVP, the data always change. So it's kind of weird, you know, so I can't know where exact the point of control. Based on the weekly time frame, here, again, changed. So it's showing us here like a point of control, it's 360. But you saw just we zoom in, and the point of control changed. So maybe it's just some glitch on the indicator, I don't know. But anyway, so this is a point of control. Take a look again. So where that point of control? That's why sometimes I can't use the VRVP like confirmation, you know, for some volume, right? So let's double check on a daily because on a weekly maybe some glitch. On the daily, point of control looks like this one. Looks like this. So this is a 13. Again, why it's always automatic scale? Why it's always jumping? 1356. So this is a point of control now. If we turn on volume area high, volume area low. So this is a support where we now. So I hope we're gonna hold the line around $5. And this is a rejection. So 1950. So my scenario, I think it will be in play, and we'll come back to the idea later and double check it. So let's hide the FIB and all of the drawings. Let's double check just locally on the weekly and a daily the indicators data. So this is accumulation on a daily, and I hope will not drop lower than this low, because if we will, it's going to be $2.27. It's I guess it's so obvious zone to buy, of course, at 18 level by FIB, and the warranty on a daily. But I hope we will not see this one. Weekly, we're in accumulation. Why it's good? Because take a look, we are now set at 540. And we're in a crazy accumulation zone. Last time we saw that crazy accumulation zone only in June 22 at $1.25. It's good. It's really, really good, because if Injective will be still exist and it's not like a scam and nothing bad will happen with this stock. And why I say that? Because, you know, for example, Cadena. Cadena KDA was a great project. It was some fundamental project, a long-term play on this market. But just one day, the team just stepped out from the project, and this token just delisted. So we can't know what's inside this project or any other one. So we have to control the risk. Now no accumulation based on direction indicator, but some accumulation was here in March, April, spring 2025. So I wish to see, of course, some accumulation now. Monthly, what is bad and what is good? Here was so obvious to sell with divergence on a monthly. Now it's not a great accumulation zone. So if we will drop down, you can be sure we can drop to $2.22 and test the accumulation zone. In this case, yes, it will be so logical to buy. Now, no signal for accumulation on the weekly. Daily also no signal for accumulation on direction indicator. ADZ, we can close. Let's double check the market mood. Let's check the weekly. Weekly, it's capitulation. Once again, guys, never hop into token when you see something like this one on the market mode indicator. So it was the biggest hype then in April 21. And the people screaming we go into the moon to the $100 to $200, $500, all of this random stuff. Buy, try to accumulate token when we trade it on the weekly time frame or the monthly in capitulation zone. Like this one bounces like this one. So this is now logical, at least logical reasons to accumulation. Monthly, it was also aphoria. Now it's disbelief. Now, nobody care about Injective. And guys, fundamental didn't change. That's a point. Fun fact. Fundamental here and use case of Injective here, absolutely the same like here. But sentiment on the market of the investors, absolutely different. Take a look at the money power, guys. Here, money in, June 2022, money out. Money out, time to sell. Don't try to catch at the top, exact top. It was so great time to sell, for example, at 40. But of course, price go higher, but don't be so greedy. Fix step by step. Now, finally, at 540, we see the same accumulation and money inflow like it was in June 2022. It's good. Weekly. Here is money outflow. Test around a yearly open. Here's the money in November 17. So it's a good one. So technically, I think the January and the rally spring is going to be the bullish one. Trade on. What is bad? We didn't see the signal take profit yet. Sell this one. Buy back. And now still no signal take profit. We need to see something like this one, but from sales. Daily, yes, everything okay. We saw the signal to sell here. Summer, take profit, buy, bounce, buy. So now it's okay, time for accumulation, I guess. And the last one, it's take profit indicator. Take a look at weekly. Also, people laughing how we can drop to the $5 to $8. What are you talking about when we trade it here? Because we trade way over exit line. So this is the last line where we need to outstep step by step from the token. Now we trade on the fundamental value. So it's absolutely the mirror way of the chart. So we can use like this one. On a Mac, it's option I. This one, and you can double check it. So this is a way. So we can't move always down, right? So we need to bounce back at least now to take profit line. So like this one. So this is a time to fix a profit, and we're gonna test the buy line and the drop on the fundamental value. The same way, now we have to bounce back to the take profit from and exit line. Because we way on the fundamental value. Fundamental value of Injective is $8.49, buy line $11.22, take profit line $22.58, and exit line it's $25.45. So 1 day you can add alert. Guys, we'll come back to this video. Take profit line. I will see the notification when we're gonna hit this line. But the lines are dynamic, you know, all lines are dynamic. And it's hard to say, maybe in March, April, the take profit line will be 19. So we can't know, maybe 20, right? That's why I think we will see something like this one by this direction. After that, retest. Once again, go high over the exit line. Everybody scream, we're going to the moon, and we'll end up back to the bear market. I can be wrong, you know, but I have my plan, my idea. So time will show us. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Injective. If you like to trade it, my customer, because I was showing this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.